My colleagues from the United States Senate and I have had a very informative and important visit, understanding the challenges, the successes, and the remaining challenges that require close coordination and assistance from us and with us. We talked about many issues, including the importance of Afghan-Pakistan cooperation and relationship along the border, and we are confident that with the right cooperation and the right strategy, we can see success here in this very long struggle.
One of the great success stories in the last few years is the Pakistani Army's efforts to change the FATA for the better. I cannot stress how impressed I am with what's happened in the last 2 years. It speaks well of the Pakistani Army and the people in this region, and there's no turning back now. They've rejected terrorism, and it's up to us working together to make sure that terrorism stays out of this area.
We have learned about how Pakistan is on the front lines of fighting terrorism and how important it is to have a strong partnership with Pakistan in this fight. That is the only way we will succeed.
It never crossed my mind I'd be visiting South Waziristan, let alone a peaceful South Waziristan. So my congratulations to the Pakistani military.